how to add subscription service into your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add subscription service or membership into your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can choose the website and then you will go, you will be in this dashboard. And then you can go ahead to the website on the left side of the screen. And then you can go to pages here. And in this page, as you can see, there is an option to add new page. So you can add in here maybe or here, it's up to you. Let's say this one. And then you can go to content and memberships. And then go to member site here. And then you can see you can choose the page or the template. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And then as you can see, it will add a new page here. I'm gonna member site here, just like that. And this is your membership page. So you can modify later, And now you have to add a pricing plan. So it's required. You can click it. As you can see, a pricing plan is required for your member site. So you have to create a pricing plan. You can create a pricing plan or add to existing. So you can click create pricing plan and then you can name it, you can choose whatever you want. Let's say diamond subscription or diamond member. It's up to you. Then you can add the description and then for the benefits, it's up to your services, You can add more benefit here if you want, or you can just delete the benefit you don't want to add. It's like that. And then for the price, you can choose fixed amount or subscription. So if you choose fixed amount, it will be one payment, or you can choose another option. But let's say fixed amount and one payment, you can modify the price maybe like this, and then you can set up automated tax, and maybe you want to choose subscription, so it will the member will pay every month, or every year. It's up to you. You can set it up. So let's say I'm gonna choose a fixed amount, and then you can choose to add a product if you want, add a digital product for your member if you want. And then you can choose the sign up limit. I'm not gonna set it up. And then you can just click create here. And it's done, the pricing plan. And if you want to add another, you can just, add another pricing plan. And then you can also set the paywall here. So yeah, you can explore more. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.